What's up, motivators? Timothy McCain here, and today I have a little different video for you. I'm all about optimizing your life in the best way you possibly can that'll help you to achieve your dreams and your goals. Things that are ethically correct and things that are morally right. And so as you may know, I travel full-time. I have the opportunity of serving locally in my church, but also travel full-time around the nation and around the world, from whether churches or conferences, conventions, or things that nature. And so for all these years, I had done this strictly on cash, right? And I had a credit card that I will use for rental cars. When you get rent a car, now they'll let you show them your flight itinerary. Before, it'll be some crazy fee if you use a debit card. So I had a credit card strictly for incidentals, for rental, car rental, as well as hotel, right? And so, but everything else I strictly strayed away from it. But now I find myself in a season of my life that as I'm approaching to get a house, that through different sort of counsel, I was told, man, that one of the great things that helped me to lift up to that next place is to get a credit card. So I thought, what type of credit card can I get that's really gonna help me to achieve my goals along the way, enjoy the benefits of it. But the most important thing, even before I show you and unbox my card just came in the mail, the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Before you even unbox this, there's something you should know. I believe if you do not have the self-control, you have no business being near credit cards. You need to make sure you allow credit cards to work for you. This is not your money. This is them folks' money. You know what I'm saying? This is not, you use your credit card the same way you use a debit card. You pay out everything the moment you use it, and you don't leave balances to the next month. So there's no interest in what you're doing, and you build points around it. It's a way to do it. Maybe I'll definitely make another video how to have the tips for using credit card. But again, I know there's a lot of Dave Ramsey stuff, and for people who may not have that self-control, listen, I am strong with you. Stay away from it. Veer from it. Do not touch it. This is the cooties. Stay away from it if that is your temperament. However, there's many people, many people who use credit cards for the betterment of their life. So without further ado, I'm super excited for this. The Chase Sapphire Reserve. Look at this. Literally just came in. Look at that. The Chase Sapphire Reserve. I bank with Chase and whatnot, and just came in. Ooh, yes. Right? I don't know how to do the whole credit card. I mean, the whole thing where it makes it zoom in stuff. Again, whatever. All right, so this comes in an envelope. I want to be super cool, so I'll take out my favorite EDC knife, the zero tolerance here, right? Because I know I can do it with my finger, but I want to be all YouTube cool. So here we go. Open it up, make sure you get some information you see. Okay, so it comes, here's a credit card here in that envelope, so I won't show you that quite yet. Let me show you this. This is a very brief video, I'll show you this. So it's at your service, all right, and it shows just, there you go, you can, y'all, bear with the brother. Can you even see that? Or this ring light thing is too bright. I don't know how to do this. Anyways, but it comes with some paperwork. I mean, exploring and stuff like that. Pretty cool. I'm sure I'll read through all of this. All right, it gives you a piece of paper just with your address and your credit line limit and your cash access line and stuff like that. Boom. Then here is the card. And what I love about it is that it's metal. It's a metal card, right? And it's just aesthetically pleasing or whatnot. So Chase Sapphire Reserve doesn't come out with some crazy cool box like the Amex Platinum and all these videos and stuff I've been watching. But again, I'm excited to be part of the bank with Chase, and this is a huge thing for me. And it comes up with, here's the thing where I want this one particularly. For travel, it's crazy, 3X. You get a $300 travel credit. Yes, there is an annual fee, but when you deduct the travel credit, it's only $150. When you compare that, you get global entry and pre-TSA. Again, if you're traveling, you understand how convenient it is just to put everything in your book bag, not have to take your shoes off, not have to take anything off, and walk through. You get through security crazy quick. There's also, which I'm very excited, lounges. I believe it's called man, Priority, some of these called Priority lounges and whatnot. So all these lounges, over 1,000 of them around the nation, where you have free food, free drinks. Like, I don't drink alcohol, but just like water and soda and stuff. Free food, free drinks, free snacks, and lounging a lot more chill than being in the waiting area in front of your gate for all these hours. So I'm very excited because I know this is going to aid to my travel experience. But benefit my life, as well as the points and all that stuff I'll get another day. But I can't stress this enough. I'm excited about this because this is a tool, this is a resource. But if you do not have the self-control of having a credit card and you keep a balance on it, do not do this, okay? But if you already, maybe you're already that type of person where you pay it off before you got great credit, and you pay it off before the next statement, so you don't get charged any interest, I think this is a great route. But again, I believe it was Sebby Shaw. I'll put his YouTube link in the description. I love his channel. Is that he used it like alcohol. There's some people who the moment they get a thing of alcohol, they get drunk. And they have no self-control. There's other people where they may drink a glass of wine. I don't drink, but I understand the illustration she's using is hinged on the responsibility of the individual. And so if you have no self-control, you need to stay away from this. But with guidance, again, what my next step to help me to get to the house I wanted to get into, whatnot, and to help to move some numbers and stuff around, it was suggested to get a credit card. So I'm like, well, this is a great time to do this, to take that leap, because all these years we just did it strictly cash. And I thought about it, I said, man, how many points could I have gained, or all the amount of airfare I bought, rental car, hotels I could have gained. But with this travel credit, anything to do with travel, you gain points and things of nature. It's awesome. So I'm excited to be part of the Chase Sapphire Reserve family, and I'm excited to learn more about this credit journey, letting these cards and points work for me, so I can do my life and one day take my family out on making memories that will last a lifetime. So anyway, just want to go in this little unboxing. Want to add a little something different on my channel, because I believe all of us should ask ourselves every single day, what can I do to make my life more efficient, proficient, and better? But make sure it's ethically and morally sound. All right, motivators, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for being part of the motivating team. Change the world. Let this channel be an oasis of hope in a desert of hopelessness. So you yourself, I challenge you, as you wake up tomorrow and every single day after, be an oasis of hope in a desert of hopelessness. Make someone's day better. Peace.